one, we're going to find f prime of a for f of t equals 2t cubed plus t. We're going to use this formula here for the derivative, but instead of x here, we're going to use a. So basically, we're using f prime of a equals the limit as h approaches 0 of f of a plus h minus f of a, just copying this down, but with a instead. All right, so let's fill everything in. This first part here, everywhere there's a t, I'm going to substitute in a plus h. So we're going to have this equals the limit as h approaches 0 of 2, and then we have a plus h cubed plus, we have another t, so we're going to have another a plus h. And then you're just going to subtract this, but instead of t, write a. So it's going to be 2a cubed plus a, all divided by h. All right, let's simplify our numerator. And I put this here for your binomial expansion. So basically, you're going to write this out and then just multiply it by 2. So this is the exact thing, and that's going to equal the limit as h approaches 0. And so when you multiply this by 2, you're going to get 2a cubed plus 6a squared h plus 6ah squared plus 2h cubed. All right, and then we still have our plus a plus h, and let's negate this. It's going to be minus 2a cubed minus a, all divided by h. Now, let's see what we can simplify by canceling stuff out. So, everything should cancel out that doesn't have a h in the term. So, for example, these a's cancel out. These cancel out. And we're left with these three terms, and they all have h's in the term. So that means we did it right. If you find something that doesn't have an h, that probably means you forgot to distribute the negative or something like that. So just that's a good sign that we did it right. And so let's write it out. We have the limit as h approaches 0 of 6a squared h plus 6ah squared plus 2h cubed plus h. Let me go back real quick. Yeah, I said three terms. There's an extra h there. All right, all divided by h. From this point, we're going to factor out an h because what we're trying to do is get rid of this denominator. So we're going to write this equals the limit as h approaches 0 and factor out an h. This is going to give you 6a squared plus 6ah plus 2h squared plus 1 divided by h. This cancels out. So now we have the limit as h approaches 0 of 6a squared plus 6ah plus 2h squared plus 1. Now from here we're going to apply our limit. So that means these h's are going to zero out. And we're left with our f prime of a equals 6a squared plus 1. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.